Hey traders, welcome to Master the Market, where we help you become a market master. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you can day trade full-time with just $10,000. And as a full-time day trader myself now for over 5 years, I'm going to be sharing my opinion on this, talking about how much I think you need in order to be a full-time day trader, as well as the steps that you should take in order to achieve that goal. Before we get started, I want to mention that in the Market Master group, we're doing a $500 cash giveaway along with free access to our 9-course Master the Market bundle. All you have to do to enter into the giveaway is to make sure you sign up as a group member using the link down below in the description, and then coming over here to the giveaway channel in the group and clicking on this green check mark. You're automatically then going to be entered into the giveaway. The winner is going to be announced on August 30th, 2024, and the deadline to sign up is going to be next Thursday, August 22nd. So make sure you get signed up to secure your spot in this giveaway. Now let's get into it. Is $10,000 enough to day trade full time? Many traders think you need $20,000, $50,000, even $100,000 or more to day trade full time. But the simple fact of the matter is you have to think about the stocks that we tend to trade as day traders. Sure, some traders do trade Apple, Amazon, Tesla, Nvidia, but I would say that probably a majority of day traders tend to focus on smaller cap stocks that are making large moves in the market. I can say personally that most of the stocks that I trade come from our day trading scanners. These scanners are live streamed in the Market Master group to our team of traders. And if we focus on the upper left-hand corner here, we have the top gap ups as well as the top percent gainers. Most of my trades on any given day are going to come from these two scanners alone. They're going to be stocks that are making large moves that have a lot of volatility and a lot of volume. Taking a look at the top percent gainer, for example, today, so far it's going to be ALBT, which is up 110% from its previous day's closing price. Then we have DGLY, which is up 81% from its previous day's closing price. We have some up about 40%, some up in the 30s, some in the 20s, and so on and so forth. All of these stocks have made significant moves from their previous day's closing price. And if you think about it, if you're able to capture just a small percentage of this move with a $10,000 trading account, that's going to result in a pretty significant profit. That's because, of course, 10% of a $10,000 investment is a $1,000 profit or loss. 20% of a $10,000 investment is a $2,000 profit or loss. 50% of a $10,000 investment is, of course, a $5,000 profit or loss. All of those are serious amounts of money, and all of those go to show that if you know what you're doing, $10,000 is plenty to make a serious living with your day trading. However, obviously there's more to it than that, so stay tuned. We're going to be talking about the steps that I believe you should follow in order to set yourself up to potentially become a full-time day trader with just $10,000. Step number one, in my opinion, is to have a goal. What exactly do you need to make from your day trading in order to have a full-time living? For some people, this might be as little as a few $1,000s, and for others with higher living expenses, it might be closer to $10,000 or even potentially higher. For this example, let's just use $5,000, and when you divide that by the 20 trading days that we have every single month, that's going to equate to $250 in profits per day on average. Now the key here is on average, because you can't go into the market expecting to make exactly $250 per day. It just doesn't work that way, even though that is just a 2.5% return on a $10,000 investment. There are still going to be days where you lose money, and there are still going to be days, ideally, where you make more than $250. The point is that this should equal out to $250 per day, again, on average. So that might look something like $450 in profits on Monday, a $150 loss on Tuesday, a $600 profit on Wednesday, a $200 loss on Thursday, and a $550 profit on Friday. Even though this week looks significantly different from the week above, these are both going to average out to the same $250 per day, and they're both going to give you the same overall total. This bottom week here is much more realistic when it comes to day trading than this top week, and this is what our goal ideally should look like. So once you have that goal in mind, the next step is going to be to find a strategy. This is a little bit of a loaded step. This is going to be a process of not only finding a strategy, but finding a strategy that works well for you, and then putting that strategy to use with some kind of paper trading or some kind of simulated trading software. I would recommend using Thinkorswim or TradingView. Both of them are 100% free in order to use their paper trading software. But when it comes to finding a strategy, there are plenty of different strategies out there for you to research and to start trying out. Some of the ones that we use commonly in the Market Master group are the opening range breakout trading strategy. We use inside bar breakouts on the daily chart pretty often. We also do a lot of just general momentum trades from stocks that we find on our intraday momentum scanners, and so on and so forth. You can also look into short selling false breakouts if you prefer to have a short bias, or even short selling into a gap down when a stock is overextended from a previous bullish run. Whatever it may be, it's important to find a strategy that's going to fit your needs as a trader and put your focus solely on that trading strategy. Test some of these out using paper trading software so that way you're able to see which ones you might want to use for your live account without actually risking any money. And that is then going to lead us to the next step. That next step, in order to start day trading and making a full-time living with just $10,000, is not going to be to start off with $10,000. It's actually going to be to start off with a much smaller trading account. The reason for that is because as a new trader, there's really no reason for you to start trading with $10,000 or more because of the simple fact that you will lose money as a brand new trader. You're not going to start with a live trading account and immediately begin making money consistently. You're probably going to dig yourself a little bit of a hole as a new trader. That's just how things tend to go. So obviously, you're much better off by digging yourself a small hole with a small trading account than you would be digging yourself a larger hole with a larger trading account. I always recommend start with as little as a few $100s, and you can always start to scale up after you've seen some consistent results. What do I mean by consistent results? In my opinion, you want to see at least a month or so of overall profits. Remember, that means that you're still going to have losses, but you should be overall, on average, profiting from your trades. Once you can do this for a month with a $100 or $200 account, you can add more money into your trading account and start to scale up to slightly larger position sizes until you're all the way up to that $10,000 account balance. Believe it or not, that should be plenty in order to day trade full-time. If you don't believe me, I have a whole playlist here on my channel with, I believe, nearly 100 videos going over my past trades, doing trade recaps, talking about different profitable trades and different losing trades. And there are screenshots in those videos of my trades, and you'll be able to see that most of my trades that I place are only investments of anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000, and I've been trading full-time now for over 5 years. So not only do I firmly believe it's possible, I am living proof that it is possible. Follow the steps in this video and you will be on your way to being a full-time trader with as little as $10,000. Anyway, I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And another reminder, if you want to get access to our $500 giveaway, as well as gain access to our group chat, our day trade and swing trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and so on and so forth, all of that can be found in the Market Master group. Make sure you sign up using the link down below in the description. Anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.